Malfunctioning hard drives can be daunting, but repairing and recovering data is within reach for tech-savvy individuals. Begin by backing up any accessible data to prevent loss during repairs. Carefully open the drive's casing using a precision screwdriver, avoiding static discharge by grounding yourself. Inspect for visible damage, like a stuck actuator arm, and use a paper clip to gently nudge it back into position. For data recovery, connect the drive to a computer with a USB adapter, utilizing software tools to scan and recover files. These steps enable both cost savings and increased confidence in tackling complex hard drive issues at home.